Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Recently, the price line of Stellar has broken out this channel, and after the breakout from this channel, the price line has imminently broken out this very strong resistance of Ichimoku bullish cloud. And now the bullish cloud is working as a support. By the way, bullish cloud works as a very strong support as compared to the bearish cloud. And right now, the cloud is bullish. The color of the cloud is green, therefore, it is still working as a very strong support. And now we are also having this nice support of 40 cents as well. A few days ago, the price line was moved slightly down than the support, but now the price line is recovered back and still it is working as a very nice support. Recently, it was working as a resistance here, support here, and support here. And again, it is working as strong support for the price line. And this is a very significant resistance zone from 49 cents to 49 cents, 45 to 49 cents that has been previously breaking as a support zone here. And now after the breakdown for the past several days or weeks, it is flipped into a resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that for the past several months or years, it had been moving inside this wedge since after the month of January 2021 up till the month of January 2023, almost for 2 or 3 years. It had been moving inside this wedge. And in my so many previous videos for the past 2 years, I've been showing you this wedge, and I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout from this Fed, the price has been moving inside this channel, this up channel. And now after the breakout from this channel, we had a very powerful pump. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout. And I would also like to show you this very huge setup that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And that is a very long term and very massive and huge ascending triangle. And I would also like to share with you, by the way, a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that was a very long-term harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern. And this move has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for mask, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 16th of December 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the long-term trade setup for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And this was a very long-term trade setup because it was formed on a monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target line here. And so far, it has produced more than 400% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. Now we have broken out the resistance of the channel, and now we have broken out this Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. That is now breaking as support. And now we need to break out this resistance zone from 45 to 49 cents. I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks it out, then it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 633 cents. Now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past almost 2 years, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very massive rally, but still, Stellar did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that during this rally, we have also broken out this very significant resistance zone from 25 to 27 cents. That can now work as a very strong support. Previously, it had been working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here as well. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, not the 7 days, on a monthly time frame chart, this is a very huge and long-term trade setup, by the way. It has formed a very, very massive and huge ascending triangle. And the formation was begun here, by the way, in the month of July 2017. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and at the bounce here, and recently the price is once again read the resistance of this triangle. So far, it is not able to break it out. This is almost third month that it is moving very close to the resistance. In the previous month, it was once again rejected. If this time the price line hits the support of the triangle, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. By the way, before that, we have a very strong and long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents that I was showing you a few moments ago. It had been previously breaking a resistance, support, support, and support, and almost has support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone for the price line of Stellar. And in case of breaking it down, if the price breaks it down, then it can test the support of the triangle somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. And you can see that this is a very, very huge triangle because it is formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, if the price breaks out the triangle, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. But in order to hit the target for the breakout, it can take some time because this is a very huge trade setup, and one candlestick is representing 1 month. And you can see that for the past almost 7 years, the price is moving inside this ascending triangle. We had a bounce here, touch point here, another touch point, almost four touch points here. We have from the month of July 2017 up till the month of October 2017. And we had a massive bounce. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, and you can see that it was almost 11,982%, 12,000% pump. And we had a big and huge drop, and we had another bounce in the month of March 2020. That was, by the way, a COVID crash as well. And after that, we had another very, very huge pump. And if I once again place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this low to here, it was more than 2,952% pump. That was the bull run from 2020 up till 2021. And after that, we got another rejection. Then we had a big drop, huge drop, and tested the support of this triangle for several months. And now it is once again geared up, and for the past 2 or 3 months, it is getting rejected by the resistance. By the way, this is not completely horizontal resistance. It is moving slightly to the downside. Therefore, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, if it will break it out from here, then the target can be bigger one. But if it will take some time, it will break it out from here, then target can be lower as we are expecting right now. If the price then breaks out this triangle, then long term, a quite long term target can be here as per this measurement. If we will have a breakout from here, then target can be uh, somewhere between $47 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.